Hi and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Raina Ray, and by the title of this video you know exactly what we're here to do today. I am going to be customizing this Peanuts vintage crop top shirt. Hey, so stay tuned for more. Okay, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe also. Now before we go in, you're going to need scissors, okay, and we're going to cut our neckline off. Follow the neckline and cut off the neckline. That, yeah, you'll see it here. So just follow the neckline, cut that off. And you can keep your scrappings, like you could do whatever you want to do with your little extra scrappings, but yeah, you want to make sure that you cut this part off because this is what's going to create that off the shoulder look that we're going for. Now this is in essence what your shirt should look like. You can cut the hole bigger too. I know some people who cut, like, they cut more than just the neckline off, but like I said, this is more of the safer way of doing it because the shirt is going to be stretched initially. So if you want the print on your shirt to still be there, then you want to cut just the neckline, and you're going to stretch that neckline. Again, this is cotton, so you want to make sure that you stretch that. Also, we're going to fold over the shirt and line it all up. I also want to tell you guys, this is on my website, Catchy Charisma, so if you do want to cop this shirt, go right ahead and go over there and go check it out. Okay, now you're going to need a ruler and some fabric chalk. Okay, I like this ruler because you can easily see through it and it makes it easier for measuring. Separate the back of the shirt from the front of the shirt because you do not want to cut into the front, so you're going to separate the back, and we're going to draw our triangle here. So yeah, half a pyramid pretty much is all you need. Now you're going to go in and draw your lines. This is going to give the shirt the shredded effect. I like to cut my lines about a half an inch or about an inch. It's all personal preference. It does not have to be perfect, but I like to do things in a more precise way because the results are always better in the end. So if you want more of a shredded shirt, a super shredded shirt, then make your lines smaller than an inch or an inch and a half, and you're going to take your scissors. You're going to just go right ahead and cut along the lines that you already traced. So just do this, and you're going to do that for the whole entire triangle. And the whole point of folding the shirt in half is so that you'll be able to cut along the lines, and it will also make it a double-sided effect. So when you straighten the shirt out, it will be an actual pyramid triangle, hunty. So yeah, just make sure you cut along the lines. Doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to stretch this anyway. You're going to see in the next clip. So I'm just cutting, and make sure you have some nice sharp fabric scissors to make it easier for you to cut along these lines. I really love the shredded shirt effect. I think it's so cute for spring and summer, the hotter weather. It really works. So I decided to, you know, come here and make one for y'all. You all know I love to customize and DIY things, and I am just in love with that. I usually do a lot more to shirts, but this is more for the people who want to do something a little simple and not have to be so advanced at customizing. So make sure you cut the bottom line. Make sure you put a line close to the end of the shirt so that way you have like the little hanging effect. You'll see it once it's done. Okay, so now you're going to just cut up until the line. Boom. Now what you're going to do is you're going to flip the shirt over to the back, and this is what it should look like. So notice how we did the other side. It was like we were doing like a half triangle. Well, see how I created the full triangle? So you're going to stretch the little fabric, like the little lines. Stretch that. You know, I usually stretch it about 2 or 3 times. Just stretch that, and this way it'll be cute, and it gives you like that nice little shredded effect. I'm going to put my little mat under the shirt so you can see it better because I feel like it's a black shirt, so it's a little harder to see. So I'm going to go right ahead and add my mat to the inside of the shirt. just like that, so that way you can see it better. See, so now you see how it will look. So just imagine that as like skin, what it'll look like against your skin. Super cute. So I'm gonna probably go in and just stretch a little more. I like to stretch. Personal preference, how much you want to stretch. At the end of the day, it will have the same effect. Keep in mind, the more you stretch, the more the shirt gets a little more slouchy and more drapey. So yeah, keep that in mind. That's what it will look like. Super cute. Perfect for spring and summer. Super perfect for that. Now you can also like cut an actual pyramid into your shirt, and it's cute. It'll look like it's supposed to be like that. I actually had a shirt that was made like that, and it was super bomb and great for the hotter weather. But you know, you can cut that little pyramid out, and then you can add some little string and stuff in there. Just get creative. So, but that's a whole different video. We're not doing that in this one. So now that's what we're gonna do here. So we have the shredded look. So I'm gonna just go in and mark where I want to cut holes into my shirt. So I'm using my fabric chalk to mark where I want the holes to be. Now you're going to do a small little snip. You're not going to go crazy because you're going to stretch the shirt. You're going to like rip the holes. So you want to do a little snip. You can do it like in an X, or you can just do one snip and then just stretch it. I sometimes do an X. I fold the material and I just cut right along it. I just cut right along the fold. So go right ahead and just do it here. See how I'm snipping that easy? Just get a little hole in there enough where you can put your finger in there and stretch it. See? You got your holes. Super easy. And nothing more and nothing less. And I'm going to do the top one as well. Stretch that one out. And I'm going to do it on the other side so it can be more cohesive and have some balance. We want balance. So that's what I'm doing. So this shirt will be like super perfect for like the spring, the summer, like, you know, or just whenever you want to just wear a shirt that got holes and little shredded stuff, you know, all that stuff. This crop top will look super cute with high-rise jeans. So yeah, high-waisted jeans. Stretch the holes. Now you can make the holes way bigger than this, but keep in mind as you wash the shirt, these holes are going to stretch anyway, just like the shredded part. So I like to fold back the sleeves on the shirt. I think that just adds like a nice little vintage look to it when it's folded back. And there's so many things that you can do with your sleeve. There's so many things you can do. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing for the front. I'm going to just, you know, put those holes in there and stretch them out. Nothing more, nothing less. And it's cute when you got little holes in your shirt in the front, because it just adds like a little extra edge that we all need. So I really like this Charlie Brown peanut shirt. It's super dope and vintage. Super vintage. So yeah, so we're going for today. And you're going to do the same thing to the other side. Again, you could put your holes wherever you want to be. I just generally want mine in the front. I want balance, and I want it to be edgy and cute. And this is your finished product. Super cute. I would definitely wear this with high-waisted jeans. I will slay in this. If you want to see more videos like this, and if you also like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Share it with your homegirls. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. And make sure you subscribe and turn notifications on. Turn notifications on. Okay, I'm going to say it again. And also, if you want to cop this shirt, head over to catchycharisma.com, because it is over there where you can buy it. Add it to your cart, honey. See you on the next video. Ciao.